Hi friends, I am explain 5th class maths. BODMAS. First BODMAS. What is the full form of BODMAS? B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. So this BODMAS follow and simplify some problems. Let us go to the first one. Example 1. 38 divided by 19 plus 5 into 2 minus 3. Then first 38 divided by 19. So first what is the first bracket? There is no bracket, no off. First one is multiplication. Here multiplication, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, so only 4 symbols are there. First one, there is division. The division symbol is 38 divided by 19. So what is the meaning? 38 divided by 19 means 19 divided by 38. So in 19 table 38 how many times will come? 19 twos are 38 2. So the answer is 2. Then this completed division operation is completed. Remaining same, right? Plus 5 into 2 minus 3. Then division operation completed. Then we can take the multiplication operation. Here where is the multiplication symbol? 5 and 2 between there is the multiplication symbol. So you can now simplify this one. 5 2s are how much? 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Now simplify and write the answer. Remaining same. 2 as it is plus as it is. Then we simplify, we get it the answer 10. Then minus 3 minus 3. Then 2 plus 10 how much? 12. 2 plus 10 12. Both are added. Then we get answer is 12 minus 3 minus 3. 12 minus 3 how much? 9 answer. So 38 divided by 19 plus 5 into 2 minus 3. We can use operation and the answer is 9. Then next let us go to the next problem. Example 2 is there is 60 plus 50 divided by 5 minus 6 plus 2. Now here also bracket of not there, then only division symbol. First division symbol is there. There is 50 divided by 5. What is the meaning? 50 division with 5. So in 5 table 10 times will come 50. Then 5 table 10 times 5 10s are 50. Then remaining as it is read 60 plus 50 divided by 5, we get it the answer 10 minus 6 plus 2. Then 60 plus 10 how much? 70. Minus 6 minus 6 minus plus as it is, we can write the as it is. Then 70 plus 6, 70 before not there any symbol, so we think that there is a plus symbol. 70 plus 2, both are plus signs, both are add. 70 plus 2 72. 6 you can write last. 70 plus 2 72 minus 6, 72 minus 6 how much? 66. So second answer is 66. You can go to the third. Then 4 into 100 divided by 10 plus 5 minus 2. So now here division, there is division 100 divided by 10. In 10 table 100 10 times will come. You can write the 10. Then remaining same 4 into 10 plus 5 minus 2. Now completed the division operation. Now take the multiplication. So there is a multiplication symbol 4 and 10 between is there. 4 and 10, 40. 4 tens are 40 plus 5 minus 2. Then 40 plus 5. How much 40 plus 5? 45 minus 2. The 2 subtracted from 45. The answer is 43. Okay. I think you can understand. Thank you.